Finally, time to relax. Chapter 1.
Hello, Daddy.
Son? Why are you not in bed? We already did your whole bedtime routine. Bath, brush teeth,
Right.
book, and bed. Where you are supposed to be, Elmo.
Yes, but Elmo forgot to tell Daddy something.
Oh.
Remember how Elmo's raincoat is yellow?
Yes?
Well, what if Elmo's raincoat wasn't yellow anymore? What if it was red?
That's what you forgot to tell me?
Yeah, if Elmo's raincoat was red, it would be the same color as Elmo's fur.
you got a point. It's time for bed, buddy.
Okay, Daddy.
Elmo, it is well past your bedtime, son. You need your sleep.
Oh, well, Elmo will stay up and wait for Daddy to go to bed. How about that?
No, son. Daddy needs a few minutes to himself to relax from the day. Then he'll be ready for bed.
Well, yeah, but Elmo's not tired.
Mm-hmm. Oh, but what about baby David? He looks a little tired, don't you think?
Well, maybe. Baby David is maybe a little tired.
Oh, well, how about you put baby David to bed by humming him a nice lullaby?
Hum a lullaby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nice, Daddy. Elmo thinks that baby David, excuse me, Elmo, baby David would like that.
Yeah, see, you got it, son. Now, you go put baby David to bed.
Okay. Good night, Daddy.
Good night.